Domingo. May I request our school principal to award the medal. For Best in Drama, Princess Diane A. Tauyan. Princess Diane Tauyan was the champion in Drama district level and she participated the division level at Kawai Central Elementary School. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Anthony Tauyan. May I also request Miss Michelle Castillo to award the medal.